Get the button maker that fits your chosen button size and take it to a table. Ensure that the switch is set to 1. Place the back part of the button, the one with the pin, in the center of the button maker so the pin side that would fasten to your shirt is down. On top of that, place the button disc with the rounded edge facing down. Next, place your design on top. Next, place the clear button cover on top of your button design. Press down on the handle firmly until you hear a click. Lift up. Switch the tab over to number 2. Press down firmly again. Lift up. Use the tab in the bottom left-hand side to release the button.